channel, we're going to be making yamarita. Yamarita is one snack I like, one yam dish I like a lot. I like that yam dish a lot. I usually get it from Mega Chicken. So I just found out that I have this, small quarter tuber of yam left, and I said, okay, what am I going to make of this? So we're going to be making use of yam, eggs, grinded pepper, dry grinded pepper, atabukum, salt, seasoning cube, a little bit of curry, vegetable oil for frying, and flour. Yeah. Here I have mixed the grinded pepper, salt, curry, and bouillon cube into the flour. I've mixed them here. Then for our eggs, I'm going to put a little bit of bouillon cube, just a little. I'm still going to add a little bit of salt, just a little salt, because we'll still add little salt when boiling the yam. Everybody who knows me, who has been following my channel, knows that I like very spicy food, and I'll still add some grinded pepper here. So we'll mix this and get ready to wash and cut our yam. I just want to prepare this and set aside, then we'll cut our yams. I'll show you just how I'm going to cut my yams. So we're going to cut our yams into strips. We're going to cut them into strips. This is how it's going to be. This is how it's going to be. Cut them into strips. So I also found one sweet potato languishing away in the kitchen, so I decided to use that as well. I've not tried this recipe using sweet potato before. It's going to be the first time, so let me just try it and see how it's going to come out. Sweet potato is quite harder than yam, so we're going to cut the sweet potato in strips like this. So this is how we cut the yams and the sweet potato, all of them, before we boil it. So here we have our yam and potato strips. So we're just going to add a little salt. Remember, we've added salt to the egg and to the flour. So we'll just add this small salt, and then we'll cover and allow it to cook until it is ready but not soft. We need it to be firm because we're still going to fry it. So let's cover and allow it to cook. So our yam is ready now. We'll just turn off the heat, pour the water out, and allow the yam to cool. Yeah, so the yam is ready. We'll just leave it for like 10 minutes to cool, so that it will be easy to handle when we have to put it through the eggs and the flour. So let's just leave this to cool for a bit. So now that our yam is cold, we're going to pick each piece, soak it in the egg mixture. Remember, we've added spices to this egg, and then coat with flour. Make sure it is well coated, like very well coated. Back to the egg. And into the flour again. Making sure that every part is covered. And then we set aside. This way. So we're going to do that for all the pieces of yam and sweet potato, and then we fry. Place them into a very hot oil and allow to fry. So we have our yamarita. I intended to eat it with ketchup. I just realized that I ran out of ketchup, and I've sent someone to get me ketchup. I can't even wait. I can't wait actually because this is so delicious. You know, you can fry it to your desired color. I have some dark brown. I have some light brown. This is good. Okay, so here is Yamarita. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time. It's very sweet. I want to go and eat it. Thank you very much. Hope to see you on my next video. I remain Chef Ochi. Thank you.